where we finished? We finished here. Okay. From here, see. First, take your right leg. See. Twist, straight, and place it. Okay. One more. See where we finished? Here. From here, take your right leg. Twist, straight, and place it. Okay. See. Twist, straight, place it. Now hand. 1, 2, place it. Right side, left side, place it. Right side, left side, place it. Okay? Let's see. One more with leg. See. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. We'll see. From we finished here now. From here, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. From here, just pull and twist. 2. Now your left leg. 3, 4. See. Pull. Left leg. Left leg. Pull your leg. Hands. Place it. See. 1, 2. See one more. 1, 2. Okay. We'll see one more. From here. 1, 2. We'll see the full movement. We finished here now. From here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. We'll see one more. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We move on to next step. Just shake your hip. Shake. Shake. See. Shake. Shake. 1 right side, 2 left side. 1, 2. Okay. Just see. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. We finished here. 1, 2. Right. From here, just keep a hand in your hip and shake. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We'll do together. From here, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll see in music. From here we move on to next step. See, keep your hand, left hand in your hip. Just twist, 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 twist. Okay, twist your hip. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and both hands. 1, raise your left leg. 2, 3, 4. Okay, we'll see one more. We finished here now. From here, twist, 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 twist. Both hands. Twist, both hands. Twist, both hands. Okay. From here, next step. Take your left leg. See. Open your right hand. Close. Take your right leg, and left hand. 3, 4. We'll see one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to see the full step. Okay. So where we finished? This step. Where we finished? Here. From here, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll see in music. Okay, today class over. We will see the balance step in next session.